Okay, this is Michael Young from SmartSoft. I'm going to talk about how to connect Print Shop, Pressero to PressWise. So let's start by understanding this is really what it looks like when it is connected. You can see these are options that are being displayed in the UI in Pressero. And how that happens is that we create an APID in PressWise. And you can see here that the default is press number 1, which is the indigo, and it happens to be located in the center. And also paper 104 is the default here. It happens to be the one on top. And these labels, which are in red, is what displays in Pressero, because obviously I'm sure that no customer is going to know what paper 104 means. You can see we also have the ability to set inks and that quantities as well. We don't need a label for quantities because it's obviously a number, so that's pretty simple. And finishing tasks as well. Now, it's important that, in this particular case I used a finishing task of coding because it may be that a paper may not allow coding, so it's important that we test all these things. Obviously, if we're going to use paper 207, which is what we have here in the APID, if we have that there, we want to make sure that it can be coded. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing we have to do before we even get that far is we actually have to build the product and make sure that the things that are needing to be active are active. So here you can see the 3 substrates that are available for this product in the 3 presses. And then after you've set that up, best to test with a quote. Just actually create a quote with the item, and you'll see here a quantity of 500 is 36201. In fact, that's what we get here, 36201. Obviously this that price will change if we changed it here. What will happen is it'll update the price. So that's really it. You're going to set up an APID. You'll obviously set up the product. Check the substrates to see if they can be coded or not. If you're going to add a coding finishing task, and then test all the options.